Now that you're somewhat familiar with using elimination to solve systems, we're going to be looking at some systems in real life. At the end of this video, you'll be able to solve a system involving a real-life situation using elimination. All right, here's our example. In one day, the National Civil Rights Museum in Memphis, Tennessee, collected $1,590 from 321 people admitted to the museum. The price of each adult admission is $6. People with the ages of 4 through 17 pay the child admission of $4. Estimate how many adults and how many children were admitted that day. So first thing that we're going to do is name our variables. And our variables will be, let's do A for adult tickets. And let's do C for child tickets. All right, set up an equation dealing with how many people were admitted. So we know that 321 people were admitted to the museum. So the number of adult tickets plus the number of child tickets we know has to equal 321. Okay, then the second one says to set up an equation dealing with the cost or value. Well, we know they collected $1,590. Each child ticket was $4 and each adult ticket was $6. So 6 times every adult ticket plus 4 times every child ticket, and we know altogether they collected $1,590. All right, then it says to put the two equations together. So we're going to have A plus C equals 321, and 6A plus 4C equals 1,590, and then just solve using elimination. So I'm going to take the first one and multiply it by 6. So I'm going to have 6A plus 6C equals, let's see, 321 times 6 is 1926. And then the second equation we could just multiply by 1, not multiply by anything. So we're going to have 6A plus 4C equals 1590. And if we want the A's to cancel out, we're going to have to subtract. So subtracting, the A's are gone. 6C minus 4C is 2C. And then 1926 minus 1590 is 336. And now we'll just divide both sides by 2 so that we find out that C is 168. All right, and then what we can do is go back up into our top equation. So we'll cross off C and we'll put 168. So we have A plus 168 equals 321. And then we'll subtract 168 from both sides. And we will get A equals 321 minus 168, which is 153. So answering the question, how many adults and how many children were admitted that day, I'm going to say adults there were 153 of them, and children, there were 168, and that's how you do the problem. So hopefully now you're familiar with using elimination to solve a real-life problem.